Hello, my amazing friends. Today's video is about the hidden power of body language, the silent signals we send through our posture, expressions, and gestures that often speak louder than words. You'll discover how your smile, eye contact, the way you stand, and even how you use your hands can shape the way people see you and how you feel about yourself. From creating a strong first impression to showing real confidence, body language is the secret tool that influences every part of life. This video will reveal those secrets in a simple and inspiring way, so you can use them to connect better, build trust, and shine wherever you go. Have you ever walked into a room and felt something without anyone saying a word? Maybe you saw someone smiling, and it made you smile too. Maybe you noticed a person looking nervous, and you felt nervous just watching them. Or maybe you saw someone standing tall and confident, and you instantly thought they must be strong, successful, or brave. This happens to all of us every single day. We are reading signals, messages, and emotions that are not spoken. They are silent, but they speak louder than words. This silent communication is called body language, and it is one of the greatest secrets of life. Many people think that communication is all about speaking. They believe that words carry everything, but the truth is very different. Studies show that words are only a small part of communication. Tone of voice and the way we use our body create most of the meaning. The way we move, the way we sit, the way we stand, and even the way we look at others tells more about us than the sentences we speak. That is why learning the secrets of body language is so powerful. It can change how people see you, how you see yourself, and how you succeed in life. Let us go on a journey to discover these secrets, not just to read them, but to feel them, to understand them, and to imagine how they work in daily life. The world is like a big stage, and every human is an actor on it. Body language is the costume, the expression, and the silent performance that decides how the audience reacts. When you know this, you begin to live differently. You begin to notice things you never saw before. Think about the very first time you meet someone. Before they even say, "Hello," your brain is already making judgments. Are they friendly? Are they confident? Are they trustworthy? All of this is decided in just a few seconds, and it mostly depends on their body language. Imagine two people entering a classroom. One walks in slowly with their shoulders down, eyes looking at the ground, and arms crossed tightly. Another person walks in with their head up, shoulders relaxed, a gentle smile, and calm steps. You already know which person looks more confident. You already know which person seems easier to talk to. That is body language at work. The secret here is that your body speaks even when your mouth is silent, and the world listens. People often remember how you made them feel before they remember what you said. So, if you want to leave a strong first impression, you must understand this silent power. A face is like a book that everyone can read, even if we do not notice it. Every tiny muscle movement tells a story. A smile can warm hearts, a frown can create distance, raised eyebrows can show surprise, and narrowed eyes can show anger. We often try to hide feelings, but the face usually betrays us. Think of a time when someone said they were fine, but their face showed sadness. You knew they were not fine. You did not need words to know the truth. This is why the face is the mirror of feelings. The secret of the face is honesty. It often shows the truth that words try to hide. For someone learning body language, noticing the small changes on the face is like unlocking a hidden code. When you see a smile that reaches the eyes, you know it's real joy. When the smile stops at the lips but not the eyes, you know it's forced. This small detail can change how you understand people. Have you ever noticed how powerful eye contact is? A single look can make you feel loved, respected, challenged, or even afraid. The eyes are called the windows of the soul for a reason. They connect two people in a way that words cannot. When someone looks directly into your eyes while speaking, it shows confidence and honesty. But if someone avoids your eyes too much, it can make you feel they are hiding something or feeling weak. At the same time, too much staring can feel aggressive. Balance is the key. The secret of the eyes is connection. They allow you to send energy to another person without speaking. They create trust, understanding, and closeness. That is why great leaders, teachers, and even performers know how to use their eyes. They do not just look, they connect. Our hands speak almost as much as our mouths. They wave, they point, they open up, they close, they hide, and they reveal. Open hands usually mean honesty and welcome. Closed fists show anger or determination. When hands fidget, it shows nervousness. When they move smoothly, it shows calmness. Think about a teacher who explains something with their hands moving naturally versus a teacher who stands stiff with hands stuck in the pockets. The first teacher feels alive, engaging, and open. The second feels cold, closed, or nervous. The difference is not in the words, but in the hands. The secret of the hands is expression. They paint the picture of our feelings. When you learn to use them, your communication becomes colorful and alive. Posture is the way you hold your body, and it speaks volumes. Standing tall with shoulders back sends a message of strength and confidence. Slouching with a bent back sends a message of weakness or tiredness. In daily life, posture decides how people see you. If you enter a room with strong posture, people pay attention. If you walk with a weak posture, people may ignore you. But posture does more than affect others. It affects you too. When you stand tall, your brain actually begins to feel more confident. When you shrink yourself, your brain begins to feel smaller and weaker. The secret of posture is that it shapes not just how others see you, but also how you see yourself. By changing your posture, you can change your inner state. Even silence has a voice in body language. The way you breathe, the way you move, the pauses you take. These are part of the silent music of communication. A deep, calm breath shows relaxation. Fast, shallow breaths show stress. When you combine this with gestures and posture, it creates harmony. Body language is not just one element. It is the orchestra of many signals together. The secret is in the harmony. When your face, eyes, hands, posture, and breathing all tell the same story, people believe you. When they tell different stories, people get confused. Everyday situations are full of body language secrets. Think of a group conversation. The person leaning forward is more interested. The person looking away is less engaged. The person crossing arms tightly may be defensive. The person nodding gently is encouraging. Or think of a job interview. The interviewer may say polite words, but their body will show if they are impressed or not. Your own body will also speak. If you sit upright, make eye contact, and use open gestures, you silently say, "I am confident and capable." If you fidget, avoid eye contact, or fold arms tightly, you silently say, "I am nervous and unsure." Life is full of such signals. Most people miss them, but those who learn to see them gain an invisible advantage. Have you ever noticed that when you spend time with someone, you start copying their body language without realizing it? This is called mirroring. It is a natural human behavior. When two people like each other, they unconsciously mirror each other's posture, gestures, and even breathing. The secret here is that mirroring creates connection. If you want someone to feel comfortable with you, Gently mirror their body language. If they sit forward, you sit forward. If they smile, you smile. It must be natural, not fake. This creates a sense of understanding and trust. True confidence is not loud. It does not need to shout or boast. It shows itself quietly through body language. A confident person stands tall, looks at people when speaking, smiles calmly, and moves without hurry. They are not stiff, not arrogant, not afraid. They carry themselves with balance. The secret of confidence is alignment. When your words and your body match, people believe you. When your words say, "I am confident," but your body says, "I am nervous," people believe your body. So, the real way to show confidence is not to force it, but to feel it inside and let your body express it naturally. One fascinating secret of body language is that while some signals are universal, others change with culture. A smile is understood everywhere, but a hand gesture in one country may mean something very different in another. For example, nodding means yes in many cultures, but in some places, it can mean no. This shows that body language is powerful, but also requires awareness. The secret is respect. When you learn about body language, you must also learn about cultural differences. That way, you can connect with people everywhere without misunderstanding. At the heart of all body language is presence. Presence is the energy you bring into a room. Some people walk in and the room lights up. Others walk in and the room feels heavy. This is not about words, it is about body language. Presence is created by posture, eye contact, smile, calmness, and energy. When you are present, people feel you. They notice you. They remember you. The secret of presence is awareness. When you are aware of your own body language, you begin to control it. When you control it, you shape your presence. And when you shape your presence, you shape how the world responds to you. Body language is not magic, but it feels magical. It is not a trick, but it works like a secret code. It is the language all humans speak, even babies, even when no words exist. It tells the truth when words lie. It connects when words fail. It inspires when words are not enough. If you are young and learning about life, remember this. Body language is a tool that can help you in every area: friendship, school, career, leadership, even love. It can give you confidence when you feel shy. It can give you understanding when you feel lost. It can give you power when you feel small. The journey to master body language is the journey to master yourself. It begins by noticing. Notice how you sit, how you walk, how you look at people, how you smile, how you breathe. Notice how others respond. Slowly, you will see the world differently. You will read the silent messages around you, and you will learn to send the right messages to the world. That is the true secret. Body language is the mirror of the mind. When your mind is strong, your body shows strength. When your heart is kind, your body shows kindness. When your spirit is alive, your body shows life. So stand tall, smile gently, look into people's eyes, use your hands to express, your face to connect, and your presence to inspire. Remember, the world is always listening to your silent voice. Speak with it wisely, and you will open doors you never imagined.